so fun.
I'm gonna have your
Today we'll be looking at the best. We've had some pretty good Shark hoodies so far recently though. Okay, probably the best Shark hoodie this year.
Can't trust the vision, I already seen it. Don't start with me if you got your own demons. Niggas don't know what I really believe in. When shit all go wrong, can we all pray to Jesus? I don't have faith, I put that in my Nina. We put the work on the plane on Fatima. Yeah, I fucked your bitch and I never even seen her. Jumped on the beat like a motherfucking lemur.
Alright, so here we got the color camo separate Shark hoodies. Now they have done this before, but very rarely. That includes like the ABC camo separate sharks and the first camo separate sharks. So we got the color camo patterns, we got the color camo navy with the color camo purple, and the color camo black with the color camo red. Now people have asked me, are the shades the same with the one color camo sharks? Yeah, all the same shades. Navy with the navy, purple and purple, red and red.
Spell red.
LSTER.
And well, for the color camo black, I don't have that one on me now. Well, I do have this fake one from Amazon. For the love of God! Highlights. We got a whole new WGM color scheme. Instead of the classic red, blue, and yellow, we got a slightly darker red, a goldish color, and a green.
But wait, there's more!
On the color camo red and color camo black separate shark, we got another WGM color scheme. For this particular one, we got a green, blue, and a goldish brown. Yeah, nice little design detail there. They don't change up the WGM too often, so nice change up. Okay, the best part about these separate Shark hoodies. You can separate them, and then now you got two whole new Shark hoodies. Got the color camo navy with the color camo black, and the color camo red with the color camo purple. This one reminds me of something.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
All together now, you got 4 Shark hoodies. Super clean. Give y'all a closer look at the inside of a separate Shark hoodie. Basically, everything the same. Zipper in the front. The tag though, instead of the middle, is moved over to the left side. And here's the back zipper to separate the two sides. And that's basically how it's constructed. Now obviously, you need both hoodies to do the whole separate thing. Because if you have just the one, yeah, it doesn't really work. But hey, just one of these hoodies, still clean. Also, if ever Bape drops a ABC camo version, first camo version, or another camo version in the future, you can always mix and match. Well, there it is, guys. Oh, You know what? Let me give y'all a side by side, since I didn't have these during my Amazon video. Here is the proper color camo separate Shark Hoodie, and well, the Amazon version. Well, there it is, guys, the color camo separate Shark Hoodies. Are these the best hoodies this year? Yeah, could be. But let's see what the rest of the year is looking like.
Here comes a new challenger!
We got some new Bapestas. The third set of the Bapesta OS, or the Overstars. You know, I was hoping for more colorways of these, comparing them to the first two packs, and here we are. Black orange, and here is the red and black, which was the most popular for obvious reasons.
I'm so fucking tired of this shit. Fuck this shit.
They did also drop a green and yellow. You know, I can't wait until they drop a patent leather version of these, because I think those are hit. But yeah, the latest Bapesta OS, a solid third set. And like always, all available on the site. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!